How's it going, guys? It's your boy Vlad from Currys, and today we're heading over to our gaming arena to check out the top 3 features of the Acer Predator Helios 300 gaming laptop. First one, the turbo mode for maximum gaming performance. Second, an 144Hz refresh rate monitor for the smoothest gameplay. And last, an NVIDIA RTX 3070 for those sweet, ray-traced next-gen graphics. Let's head over there now so we can take a closer look. Let's start with the turbo mode, which grants you an instant boost in performance for those more demanding titles at a simple press of a button. But enough talking about it, let's see it in action against the exact same laptop but without turbo mode on. Alright, so we got both campaigns running on those laptops. Let's check the performance tab. Right from the cutscenes we can see that the turbo mode grants a 90 frames per second, while the default mode goes only up to 60 frames. So there is a good 30 frames difference. This happens because turbo mode overclocks your GPU, so your game will look and play at its very best. Some pro gamers might overclock their GPUs themselves, but this is risky and can lead to unstable behavior, which means your games and apps will most likely crash. So, having a tool that does this in a safe and stable manner is a perfect addition to your gaming arsenal. Everything you play will look great on this Full HD screen, while the 144Hz refresh rate will make sure your gameplay stays smooth and your frame rate potential high. Not only will this give you better clarity in the single-player game cutscenes, but it will also give you the edge in the multiplayer competitive matches, like Fortnite, where you will be able to build and shoot quicker than your opponents with lower frames. And with a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 graphics card, you can play all the next-gen games with all the bells and whistles the developers are raving about, like ray tracing, realistic lighting, and all this will add another level to your realism and polish. So you can play games like Spider-Man, God of War, or even non-AAA titles like Stray, and they will look fantastic. And if you like more info about this Acer Predator Helios 300 gaming laptop, visit us in store, head online, or ask one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.